Hello, it's Chris from My Stamp Lady, and I'm here to share with you the Share What You Love suite. This is an early release suite from Stampin' Up, meaning that it goes live June 1st, but right now with the new catalog, June 1st with the new catalog, but right now you can get some of these products through this special order. And the special actually has 1, 2, and 3 options. I'm only going to talk about the third option right now, the Gotta Have It All bundle, because I have some samples that I've made with this particular bundle using products from there. Not all the products I used are from here, but that is the only way you can get some of the products. So this is the bundle I'm going to highlight, and if you go to my website, mystamplady.com, you can see more information about it with a blog post. You can also go to shopwithmystamplady.com, where you will be able to see this bundle in my online store and purchase it. Okay, so I am going to show you the different products that are included. So the first one that I'm showing you is the Love What You Do stamp set. So this is a photopolymer stamp set that's included in this bundle. And it has some really fun new floral images with a nice watercolor background. There's 3 options there, some leaves and some nice sentiments. This bundle also includes the Make a Difference stamp set, which is a photopolymer alphabet bundle or stamp set. And because it's photopolymer, it's easy to see through. And what I really liked, one of the things I liked about it were these little sentiments or sayings that were already made up. The www, and then you can just type in between what your site name is, .com, or the handmade by, and send a card, created by, and it also has the little copyright Stampin' Up stamp, which it qualifies for the angel policy. A package of very vanilla cardstock. And then this particular product I do not have, but it's the Share What You Love cardstock pack. It's 24 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, solid cardstock that coordinates with the bundle. Rich Raspberry, Old Olive, Mint Macaron, and Grapefruit Grove, which is one of the new in colors. Okay, so then we also get from the new catalog the pearlized doilies. They're really just beautiful. They have a nice pearl accent, and you get 24 of them in this package. With this bundle, you also get the Share What You Love specialty designer paper, which is gorgeous, and there's lots of it here. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it's like 24 sheets, though. There's a lot of it here. It's 12 by 12, and most of the sheets have a printed side, and then one side that has something special about it, like this has the shimmery effect. There are 2 sides to each of the papers. I'm thinking this one has the watercolor look, and this one does not have a shimmer portion to it, but the rest of them do, that you can kind of catch in my light here. Let's go off, and you can see those shimmers. Beautiful, very bold and very printed paper. So that's included in the bundle. One of the brand new stamp sets that is one of the new in colors, Grapefruit Grove. So you can see how the new stamp pads from Stampin' Up. I do have a video about this that if you go to my YouTube site, you'll be able to see, and I'll link below for that. The Rich Raspberry Velvet Ribbon. And we also have the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. So we have them in the coordinating colors here. And the lovely Floral Dynamic Impressions folder. And this is a flower image that has a really deep impression because it's the thicker one. It's the Dynamic Impressions. So you purchase all those things in the bundle, and then you receive free the Statement of My Heart stamp set, and it says, to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. So this is a photopolymer set that is included free. A package of very vanilla envelopes, and the Share What You Love embellishment kit, which comes with pearlized thread, some tranquil tide, baker's twine, and then we have the grapefruit, as I'm dropping them out there, the Grapefruit Grove mini paper clips. There are also some silver ones, and then a little silver flower that is already has adhesive on the back. One thing I've really enjoyed with this flower is you can see the low profile. It's not sticking up too much, and it's very light. So that is a nice thing, because sometimes these flower embellishments can get to be really thick. And then it also comes with 8 of the smaller tags and then 4 of the larger tags. And then it comes in this really cute box that's printed to coordinate. So you get some free and you with that bundle. And here are 2 samples that I made up for you. This is using that designer series paper, that beautiful paper. And I used one of the little metal flowers, some mint macaron, which is coming back into our color lineup, the Tranquil Tide Baker's Twine, and then I have used one of my stitched shapes to do that one there. So this is another card sample that I've made, again using that designer series paper, some of the things from that little embellishment kit, and then just some stamping with the Tranquil Tide, which is not included, but then also with the Grapefruit Grove I used to stamp the other parts. So there are 2 fairly simple pieces using designer paper that you can make with this kit, and this is available through May 31st as this special bundle with the free products. After that, these items will go into the regular catalog. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, Chris@mystamplady.com. And all of these supplies are available in my online store. Thanks for watching.